But a couple hundred years later, the Koreans figured out a surefire way to guarantee a hit. 15th century. Hwacha. Range, 500 yards. Warhead, arrow tip, and black powder. What the Koreans came up with was a wooden cart that shot 200 rocket-propelled arrows at once. The individual rockets weren't any more accurate, but the Koreans figured there was safety in numbers. So, yeah, and you got 200 of them. You launch them all at the same time, basically.
Yes, we do. And as you can see, each one has a nice little arrow on the tip.
Now, this arrow is no joke, fellas. And with the rockets ascended on its way, it was possibly the most formidable weapon of its time. The Koreans used these arrow-spewing hwachas to help fight off the invading Japanese. You see, samurai warriors used to attack in dense formations. Perfect fodder for a hwacha attack.
I think you ought to give it a try.
Do we have a target? We need to fight off an attack from some watermelon samurai and a few dozen balloon soldiers. Okay, fire in the hole, ladies and gentlemen. One smart design feature is that all 200 fuses are linked. Makes it easier to light than a birthday cake.
Burn you? Nope.
Okay.
Here we go. There's the second two. There's the third. How'd you like to have that raining down on you?
That was worth every nickel of it right there. That was beautiful is what that was, wasn't it? But that is an awesome piece of machinery. Was that as good for you as it was for me, honey? Well, how about that? We finally scored some direct hits. Look at the carnage. This is awesome.
Good shooting.
Hurrah, yeah, it was. It was fun stuff. We'll do this again. It takes 10 seconds to fire off all 200 arrows. That's a big step up from the old Chinese one-hit wonders, the ones that hardly ever hit. But even the hwacha's success is more down to the power of numbers than anything else. Accuracy was still the rocket's #1 problem.